In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade a Google Workspace plan. If you're looking to reduce costs or move to a simpler set of features, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish so you can switch plans confidently and without surprises. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Workspace. From the results, click the official Google admin link that takes you to the admin console. If you're prompted to sign in, make sure you use your administrator account, the one with permission to manage billing and subscriptions. Regular user accounts won't have access to the settings we need. Once you're in the admin console, look for the billing section in the left-hand menu. That's where all payment and plan management lives. Click Billing, then select Subscriptions. You'll see a list of your active products. Find your Google Workspace subscription, the one currently in use for your organization, such as Business Starter, Business Standard, or another tier, and click it to open the details page. On this page, locate the area labeled Subscription Status or look for the More menu represented by 3 vertical dots. Within that menu or section, you should see an option to downgrade. Click Downgrade to begin the process. This opens a guided flow where you'll choose the lower tier plan you want to move to. Select the plan that fits your needs and confirm by clicking Downgrade. Next, you'll be shown product details for the plan you selected. Take a moment to read through these carefully. This section explains what the downgraded plan includes, along with any limitations compared to your current plan. Pay special attention to storage limits, meeting caps, security and compliance features, and admin tools. Make sure the plan still supports your essential workflows, then click Next to continue. You'll now choose your billing preference, flexible or annual. A flexible plan typically bills monthly and allows you to adjust user counts more easily. An annual plan often offers better pricing but commits you for the term. Pick the option that aligns with how often you expect your organization to change, then click Checkout. Finally, review the summary of your downgrade. Confirm the plan, billing preference, and any proration or timing details shown, then click Place Order. You'll see a confirmation in the admin console, and changes usually take effect shortly. After the switch, keep an eye on storage and key features to ensure everything works as expected. That's it. You've successfully downgraded your Google Workspace plan.